Hey guys, for this video we're going to be doing an unboxing of retro edition of Rain on Your Parade, which also too has its own Unhappy Sun pin. So let's get this bad boy opened up. Uh-huh. We got the front, the top, this side, followed by this side, and we got the back. Ruin everybody's day. Which in turn means ruining the sun's day too. Still unhappy we didn't get a soundtrack for it, but nothing I can do about that. So we got a thick wooden coaster with a very cute happy cloud with random things in there. Sticker sheets. And the cloud's base. I love this smell. It reminds me of ball pits back when I was younger. Oh, yeah. But I would assume they'd be reusable because, I mean, and since this one's put upside down, it's not going to fit right, so I have to put this back the normal way. Oops. Some very well-known stuff like bow tie like Hello Kitty. We got Cloud's hairstyle and other stuff. Oh, that smells so intoxicatingly good. Oh yeah, that brings back memories. Okay, we got that. And why are you not fitting right? Huh, what do you know? Damn, plastic wrap this one. Perfect for me. Saves me trouble. So we got, oh hey, it's all metallic with the blue rain. Nice. It ain't no chocolate rain, but it is something. Chocolate rain. It's stuck. Boy, this thing's really stuck in there. Come on, you. Whew, that was work. Oh, nice. Even right here is metallic. Yeah. Getting the Metallica on me. We saw that side. Here we go. That's correct. So now we got the actual one itself with the game disc. And yes, one of these days, I actually would like to have an adult-sized ball pit of my own. Because why shouldn't adults have fun in the ball pits? You know? Why should kids get all the fun? Let's see, Rainy Parade Challenge card. Let's see. Premium Edition Challenge, find the cat on the overworld. Not really sure what that means though. We got the Rainy Parade manual. Heh. Our cloud is puking rainbows. Probably had a rainbow crab right here, is my guess. Bleh. Tons of decorations, and I see a Cuphead thing going on up there. And we got the game itself, and a non-reversible slipcover, but it does have an interior one. And here's the game itself. Very nice. And now let's try to semi-speedrun this, shall we? Carefully. That is. And there you have it, guys. Back together again. Yay! Alright, guys, that's it for this one. And next time we'll crack open Phonotopia, I believe. I'm not sure which one we're going to do next. But anyways, I'll see you then. So, bye for now.